The blower tube is attached to the flexible tube. It has a swivel fitting that allows you to manipulate and swivel the blower tube. Over time, the swivel assembly can fail and break apart. It can be accidentally damaged or crushed. Replacing the blower tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the straight pipe and nozzle. Now I can remove the handle. I'll unscrew the thumb screw and then slide the handle off of the tube. Next, I'll loosen the hose clamp so I can remove the blower tube. Now I can install the new blower tube. I'll insert the blower tube into the flexible tube and secure it with the hose clamp. Now I'll reinstall the handle. There's a tab on the blower tube. I'll align the tab with the notch on the handle. Once it's aligned with the tab, I'll secure it with the wing nut. And I'll finish by reinstalling the straight pipe and nozzle. And that's how easy it is to replace the blower tube on your backpack blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.